Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a breakdown of my online and extra income from the month of March as well as my business expenses. First, let's start with my online/business income. I do have 2 YouTube channels, 2 blogs, and I am also a financial coach, so I have various sources of revenue. I'm going to list these from smallest to largest, and keep in mind that everything on here is pre-tax, so I do pay quarterly estimated taxes. So what I actually take home is a little bit lower, so this is just gross income for the month of March. My smallest source of income were affiliate sales, and that was $110 even, which isn't too bad. Next was buy me a coffee, which I do count as income since it is correlated with this channel. So Buy Me a Coffee is just a support website where people can quote unquote buy me a coffee, but I have it set as buy me a debt payment. So if anybody chooses to support me through that platform, I put it toward my debt. But for March, I received $140.74. Teachable, which is where I have a couple of my courses. I have like a self-discipline course and a goal achievement course, and on there I got quite a bit. I made a few sales a couple months ago, so $141.38. Next is financial coaching, and that was $150 even. Mediavine, which are display ads on my lifestyle blog, livinglikelayla.com, and from that I made $354.14, which is the highest it's been in, it's been dropping, so that's not too bad. And then finally, the largest one, Google Adsense or YouTube, was $625.46. I do have 2 separate channels, so Living Like Layla is one, the other is this channel, Debt Over or Personal Finance with Layla. So let me break those down. I don't know if these numbers are going to be exactly correct. I'm just looking based off of YouTube, so it may be a little lower, it may be a little higher. The money that I earned here is from February, and on Living Like Layla it says I earned $75.62. And on Debt Over It or Personal Finance with Layla, it says I earned $549.85. When I add these up, they're off by 1 penny. So I'm not sure exactly where that difference comes in, like which channel loses the penny. But yeah, it is. This total is $625.47, but the amount that actually hit my bank account was this. So in total, I earned $1,521.72 from my online work. Very exciting. A little bit of this went down, so YouTube revenue did go down, but that's okay. Mediavine went up and coaching went down, but yeah, everything's gonna fluctuate, of course. I'm just very grateful that I keep getting over 1,000. Again, this is the 3rd month in a row, and if you are new here, then I never made $1,000 online until January of this year, so I'm pretty excited that this is continuing. Now, I'd also like to go over extra income. So this is anything I made on, like from credit card cash back, or if I got like the stimulus check will be here. So let's start with the smallest. First one is Bank of America cash back. I love using my credit cards because I get more money. I just pay them off right away. So I cashed out $17.91. The next thing was pretty big as well, so that's from credit cards Chase Rewards. This was actually 3 referrals plus my cash back for the month, and that was $325.85. So I referred 3 people and they gave me $100 per person. Because of that, I've actually reached my limit on how many people I can refer for the whole year of 2021. So if you use the link I have down below, to open a Chase credit card. It actually doesn't benefit me anymore, but you can still feel free to use that if you like. And then the $25.85 was just from shopping, spending money, and getting cash back for that. I did get my federal tax refund, and that was on the last day of March, which was $390 even. I also got my state tax refund pretty quickly, and that was $639 even. And then finally, the stimulus check. And it is just me, and I got $1,400. I do have a video on what I did with my stimulus check and with my tax refunds. If you are interested in that, it will be linked down below. So this total comes to $2,772.76. Pretty solid month for me. Obviously, getting a tax refund it's a good thing, but that is money that's technically mine, and the government had it for some time, but it's fine. I'd rather get money back than have to owe money. So let's also talk about my expenses for running an online business, because March was very expensive. Usually I don't spend much on my YouTube channel or on my blogs, but for this month I did have to renew I think it was just one thing really, but it cost a lot. So let's see. Yeah, all it was. So the first thing is Google Workspace, which is like having a special type of email just to access the different things on Google. And I have that for both of my blog / YouTube channels. That was $12 every month, $12. And then the next thing was Siteground. This is hosting for my websites. And I really love Siteground, and I've been with them for a couple of years. And I did renew for 2 more years, so $690.98, which isn't bad. If you do work with Siteground, I have an affiliate link, so I can link that down below if you are interested in starting a blog of your own and want a really good hosting platform. But the other thing is, if you will get a pretty good deal when you first sign up. That's how most companies work. But I always ask them for a discount when it's time for me to renew, and they always give me a better rate than what's actually there. So there are just the typical discounts where, you know, if you sign up for 24 months, it's going to be cheaper versus 12 months or even 36 months. But I always ask for even lower than that. So I think this was supposed to be like $800 or $700 something. I can't remember. It was definitely higher than this, but I did negotiate that down a little, which I definitely appreciate. Their customer service is the best. So this total was $702.98, and that's probably the most expensive thing that I have to pay for when it comes to online work. So that is everything for March. As I always say, I am very grateful for having this online platform. I appreciate all of you for watching this video and any of my videos or reading my blogs. Obviously, it helps support me to pay off debt faster and just save and invest. So if you have any questions, please leave those down below, and I will see you in my next video.